Hi guys, I want to show you my throttle body control and look what happens. This is my program. It is written in C and my KP is on 9, KY is on 30 and KD on 0.2. This is my throttle body. This is a driver and my microcontroller is from STM32. It's a discovery board. Yeah, this is the APPS sensor, the TPS sensor, and look what happens. I can smoothly control my throttle body, my throttle, and it's fast. Yeah, and my maximum consumption is 0.8 amps on 8 volts. I use 8 volts PWM maximum. Yeah, that's it. I'm very glad that it is working. Yeah, and sorry for my English. I'm not the best in English, but I think you have understand what I wanted to show you.